So another week and another challenge for young Ivan. I'm going to give you a little clue as to what that might involve. This is going to be great. How you doing?
How do you think I'm doing?
Very small, aren't they, these? Very, very small locks. Lovely day for it, though. You don't seem as, I don't know, you don't seem as smug as usual.
You know how I feel about heights.
Just, you know, you've got this. Come on. Anything you can do, yeah? Woo!
Tell my family I love them.
Yeah. Any last words for
And
Laura?
also your family.
Do you want me to close this for you?
Go away.
Give us a bit of a way for that one. I've got that one running just in case. I'm just going to start us up, okay? I'll just gently keep feeling the aircraft off the ground. There's my side just coming up. And there's us airborne. And you can feel already I'm moving all of the controls, just in very small amounts, aren't I?
Yes.
Good. That's all you've got to do in a minute.
That's what I'll be doing, is it?
Yeah.
Reported traffic with PA 28 is here.
Copy. Crossing the departing helicopter, hotel.
Ow. Whoa!
And just relax.
Okay. Do I take my feet off now? Just in case.
No, just keep them on for now.
Okay.
Just so you can feel what's occurring.
Okay.
Reliability 5.
Up and away we go.
Wow.
Left hand.
Wow.
QNH is 1011.
So we're just passing 200 feet at the moment. So we've just got to do 10 times that shortly.
Why did you tell me that?
And what a beautiful day you got for
It
it.
is lovely, isn't it?
Okay, so Captain Paul is going to start the hover tutorial. Let's cross over to the helicopter and see how they're doing.
Right, there we are back into the hover again. So let's see if you can hover this helicopter. So
Okay.
just your right hand on the side click for now, looking
Okay.
straight ahead of the trees, Ivan. I'm just going to quickly demonstrate. Just relax on that control for me. Don't hold on so tight. So whilst looking ahead, if we see the nose of the helicopter go down, got to use your control back a little bit. If the nose goes up, push the side click forward a little bit, just to try and level the helicopter. If
Nose
it-
goes down, back.
That's correct, yes. If the nose goes up, forwards.
Okay, right, now it's Ivan's turn. Let's see how he goes.
You have full control. Looking good. He's almost got it.
Oh, no.
Oh, keep with it, Ivan.
Oh,
Keep at it.
okay.
You can do it. You
All
can
right.
do it. Come on.
Okay. Oh, okay. No, you got it. You got it.
You sure?
Oh, no, no. Okay. You got it right.
I've got full
Take it
control,
over.
yep.
Okay. Oh my God.
You alright?
Yeah. I nearly ate my microphone. Oh
Okay,
my
just
God.
keep your hands on your legs.
Yes, gladly. Whoa! Oh no, 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 don't go upside down. Oh my God.
You alright?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Actually, it's quite a capable little helicopter. We'll head back in, alright?
Okay.
I'll turn us around.
Oh.
Can you hear that screaming?
And of course, they don't just fly forwards, they can fly sideways,
Yeah.
they can fly backwards.
Well, they really. I can't believe it can fly backwards. How do they do that?
Right, and then we get to the very last bit just over by the flying school briefly. You okay?
Yeah.
Now look, we're down. Ready? There we are.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Glad to be back down?
Yeah.
Do you want these? Cover the tears of relief?
No.
How was it?
It was really. Honestly.
Yeah.
I was really scared.
Let's get straight to the point. Captain Paul, can anything you can do, Ivan, do better? And be honest, don't be nice just because he's on the radio.
Just bear with me. There's one thing I've definitely got to do first, and that's just.
Yeah.
Thank you. Right. Sorry, what were you asking? Well, it was all going really, really well, wasn't it? Right up till I let you have a go.
Yeah.
Then it wasn't going quite so well. Then it got really a lot better again.
Yeah.
That's when I was having a go.
When you took control.
Paul,
Then,
yes or no?
definitely not.
Yes!
No, absolutely no chance.
To be honest, the challenge for me came when you said I had to do it with my eyes open.
Hearts Breakfast with Ivan and Emma.